I changed my position for a while ago. I moved to Switzerland and is managing emerging market. And of course, there is a while ago since the closing of the deal with acquisition of also Takeda took over Nycomed. When you speak specifically about Russia and the name change, I have to say one thing. I'm surprised that it has been so well, let's say, smoothly going on. But why is it so? Because it's well managed, well prepared. Nycomed was a very well-known company in Russia. It was a very well-known brand. And I was always saying to everybody, you should understand one thing. It's not only about selling your products. You are selling the company name. So if patients yourself are coming to the retail, to the pharmacies, and you see the Nycomed brand, everybody was, it's quality, it's a good company, it's good people behind, and we like to buy the brands, And of course, I was, how should I say, I was reluctant. I was maybe not really sure how this name change would actually happen. But in the end of the day, it goes very well normally for anybody like that. You think it's difficult. You think it is very difficult. But it has to be well prepared. You need to have a motivated team behind that who is really then encouraged for this name change and is not saying, oh, this is not working, this is difficult, this will never work. You need to have an encouragement, motivation behind it. Then it will go, then it will fly. And I feel today, Nycomed is a little bit of a history already, although it is, in my mind, a lot, and I think a lot of people as well, but I think Takeda is there now. And I'm very, very satisfied how they have done it in Russia to basically promote, launch, introduce the Takeda brand. Well done. You're absolutely right, and we can confirm that full-scale production, that means no API production, but full-scale production excluding API production will be in 2014 of those products mentioned, Activegene, calcium and cardiomagneal. Packaging will start in 2013, so we are online, we have manufacturing license obtained, etc., etc. This is a state-of-the-art pharmaceutical manufacturing plant in Russia today, in Yaroslavl. And all the milestone has been, let's say, kept, followed. There has been basically no delay in this project. Very, very satisfactory in the collaboration with local authorities, also state authorities, etc. And we have about 120 people working in Yaroslavl today. We're going to increase that up to almost 300 people in this time frame in the next 1 to 2 years' time. So, answer your question, 2014 is absolutely confirmed. And let me say a few things about the diversified portfolio. In the Takeda company today, we have the Nycomed legacy portfolio, which correctly you said is Activegene, it's calcium, it's cardiomagneal, and there's many, many other products, of course. And then you have the Takeda products, which is, of course, are very innovative. It's a patented product, it's R&D driven, focus in diabetes, focus in oncology, and so on, which all these products will be launched now in Russia in the next 2 to 4 years of time. So we will be, as a company, I can tell you, pretty busy going forward in this country. Very exciting, and I guess the new Takeda in this country is going to be a company, as was said in the panel debate today in Adam Smith, a company that will explore new opportunities, new franchises, offer new solutions as well to patients and the environment in Russia today, to the communities. You should never say no, of course. But today I find it not very realistically that Takeda will source API, also substances in raw material in Russia. We do that across the border for many places in the world, India or whatever it is, China and so on. But the answer is that time will show, but there are no concrete plans of any API production, API sourcing from Russia. And there is also no other plans in Russia today from Takeda to go deeper into some sort of sophisticated biotechnology, whatever it is, production, So we will now basically utilize capacity in Yaroslavl factory and basically add products, add tableting, add sterile liquid ampouling there, you know, maybe move into some vials production, we will see. But, you know, we will try then to build on the strengths that we will have in Yaroslav, and there is no need for us to basically go beyond that today. I think we have a very, very strong foothold with a manufacturing plant that we have in Yaroslav, supported by an outstanding sales and marketing organization, plus in-licensing, building an adapted portfolio to the Russian market. This company is going to be, I'm sure, one of the leading companies sustaining leadership in the next 5 years in the Russian Federation.